Hey guys, welcome back to Leapion channel. This is Aaron. Before we start today's video, let's have a little test. Do you know the names of all these mentors here? I will give 3 seconds to you. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here is the answer. All these symbols are cutting by our fiber laser cutting machine. When we're talking about the cutting ability of the laser cutting machine, we mostly say it can cut wood thickness of carbon steel because carbon steel is the most common material used in most factories. But there have too much type of metal we have to use during the real industry working. We have a customer bought one size 3 kW power PE model machine from our Leapion, and he planned to using this machine to make laser cutting service for his clients in the future. To make sure the machine could make money for him, he sent us lots of metal to make sure the test before the machine shipment. Therefore, today's video we will show you the cutting effects of this machine work on different metals. Let's take a look at the first test, where you can see that we used the same cutting parameters on 3 different pieces of material. They are 1 mm, 2 mm stainless steel, and 2 mm galvanized sheet. Yes, even though stainless steel and galvanized sheet metal are used in different industries, when it comes to laser cutting, both materials share almost the same properties. So, we can use similar cutting parameters. Please note that at the same time we are using 50% of the laser output power to cut thin sheet metal. You may have noticed here that when our engineer takes a sample, the cutting sample was not completely cut off from the plate. Is this a mistake? Of course not. It's a special function that our engineer set up, and we call it the macro connection. Imagine a situation where you need to cut a large sheet of material, and collecting tiny parts will cost time and easy to lose. So this feature helps us work more easier. Secondly, let's take a look at the test of tungsten steel. The thickness are separately 0.7 mm and 1.2 mm. Tungsten is a strong, durable metal, commonly used in heavy metal alloys for the fabrication of cutting tools, like drill bits and milling cutters. It's also used in electronics, aeronautics, and alloy industry. Because of the very high hardness, traditional cutting technology is difficult to cut. But as you can see, our laser cutting machine can cut it easily with high speed, and the cutting effect is perfect, smooth, and neat surface. No need to secondary process. Now, let's look at another material, chrome. Here, there are some cutting demonstrations of different thickness: 0.45 mm, 0.58 mm, 0.7 mm, 0.8 mm. Chrome has a brilliant silver surface and relatively hard. The heat-affected zone during laser cutting is smaller, helping to maintain the appearance of the chrome plating. Chrome is widely used in tableware and kitchen supplies, automobile manufacturing, construction and decoration, and other industries. Finally, the last test is the most challenging high reflective material: brass, copper, and aluminum. There are some samples of 1.5 mm brass, 1.2 mm copper, and 5 mm aluminum. This material has high reflectivity in both the visible and near-infrared spectral ranges. Based on this, they are widely used in optical components. For all highly reflective materials, it's recommended that you use power about 3 kW for cutting. or you can use G5 anti-high reflection laser. When we cut plates over 10 mm thick, we usually use cooling points in the system to prevent corners from burning during the cutting process. For each customer who purchases Leapion's machine, we will enter the cutting parameters before shipment. So, if you have special material needed to cutting, please feel free to contact us. Our sales and professional engineer will support you with the one-to-one VIP service. Thank you for your watching our video. If you have any other questions, don't be hesitate to contact us or visit our website.